What's up, you guys? Homies of Blue Ranch Militia Group. I just had to do some chores today. What am I gonna do for my art schedule? I've got an intake for a new gallery showing this next coming Monday. You know, I might just re-put up one of my older ones again. Mailman just came by. Dude, it's great living down here. I cannot complain. We got a thunderstorm to your left. We got bright sunny skies to your right. It's just amazing. Dude, it's like oh my god, this rainstorm is... Look at this, you guys. Look at that. It's sunny over there. And boom. It's crazy. Alright, well, I'm gonna hurry up now. I just want to say prayers to Dartman. My thoughts and wishes go out towards him. I hope you get better, Dartman. I pray that the power of Christ strengthens you. Amen. And, Blue Orange Militia again. Deb, Tim, Dartman, Mike from Amy Two Love, who else? Matt, Dylan, Jesse, Emma, Trinity, Kim, Tracy, obviously my mom. Much love. God bless. Much love and respect. Amen.